Welcome again to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Molly, and today I have something exciting that has happened. Look what I have here. This is a ripe pawpaw. It's one of two left on the tree. Now, I thought about lying and saying that I only had two left, but the truth is I have no self-control. There were five. The other three were a lot smaller, and I did actually eat those without filming them. I really have no self-control. I didn't have the willpower to wait long enough to film, but let's just pretend this is the first one and take you inside and let you help me sample it. Okay, so we're inside now with my little pawpaw. I'm not sure how this stacks up according to most pawpaws size on the East Coast. Pawpaws are native to the East Coast. I will link the video that I did earlier this year about pawpaws. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. It's really soft. And when you twist it open and look at it, it's got some large seeds. It's also got a very, very soft flesh. Let's taste it and see what it tastes like. Oh my word. This one is better than the other ones that I've tasted. The flesh tastes kind of like a banana custard. Almost a little bit like a banana that is just on the peak of perfection with extra sugar added. The seeds are large and hard. Now, growing a pawpaw by seed, I've heard, is a very difficult endeavor. It takes cold stratification and a lot of months worth of work. So the best thing to do is just purchase a plant if you don't have that kind of patience. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. I know you can, it's not as enjoyable as eating it yourself, but I will enjoy it for you. In the meantime, go have a wonderful garden adventure.